In holy pages, this truth can be found. I promise to stand on when darkness abound. Oh, right never loses, and wrong never wins.